Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into designing an automated grading system using Airtable. This is your go-to guide for 2025, so let's get started. First up, we need to create a new base in Airtable. Head over to airtable.com, sign in, and click the plus Add a Base button. Choose Start from Scratch to build our grading system from the ground up. This step is essential as it provides a clean slate for our custom system. Now that we've got our base, we're going to create two tables, students and assignments. Click the plus, name your table, and repeat for the second one. The reason we do this is to separate our data into manageable and relevant chunks, making the grading process more streamlined. Next up, let's add our fields. In students, we'll need student name, assignment, and grade. In assignments, we need assignment name and total marks. This helps us because it allows us to capture all necessary information for grading. Now it's time to link our tables. In the Students table, change the Assignment field type to Link to another record and select the Assignments table. This is what makes Airtable so powerful. It allows us to establish relationships between tables, ensuring our data stays interconnected. Now that we've done that, let's set up our grading automation. We'll use the Automations feature for this. Click on the Automations button, then plus New Automation. Name it Grade Assignment and set the trigger to when record matches conditions. Set the condition to trigger when assignment and total marks fields are filled. Add an action to update record and use a formula to calculate the grade. The reason we do this is to let Airtable handle the grading for us, saving us time and reducing errors. And voila, you've designed an automated grading system using Airtable. By following these steps, you can create a dynamic, efficient grading system that makes your life easier. And remember, you can customize this base to better suit your needs. Thanks for tuning in and happy grading. Until next time.